Junkie Skim Nation, ngaze ngajabula ukunibona phela. Hollywood Bets is running a great promotion out there. It is time to win with Pragmatic Play Drops and Wins. With Drops and Wins, win prizes can drop completely at a random at any spins at any given time. You could be playing your favorite games and suddenly a massive cash prize lands right in your account. To get onto the action, all what you need to do, you have to play the selected Pragmatic Play games. Skim Nation ungakhohlwa, when you sign up, don't forget to use the promo code SKWM or Skim. This is strictly for those who are 18 years plus, 18 years and over. Please make sure when you bet responsibly, hit the link on the comment section below. This competition, it ends on the 19th of November 2025. Now let us go back to the episode. Are we going to
asibeke manje sigadle mfowethu ngizokubekela namhlanje udubule tough uzenzele into zakho yabona sesikwenye isizini manje siyazenzela kusedladle
awuthamithe ngokutshela eVAR igebe ngasike ukukhuluma manga le mali esiyenzayo lapha sayiravaza bengikwazi ukubhaya uyithengelane airtime ye1000 for ini uyifake efonini just because ngiceda ukubamba ingami la. That's why masiboshwa wonke umuntu uzokutshela anginawo maningi amaloya aboshiwe ngegara zethu abhaya yabo thina bese sipanisa igebengu bese kwaziwa bese kethi makangena ecourt kuchiwe you are using this one remind
struggle namhlanje struggle ikusasa
and they were even worse ngoba manje I struggle bese sesistopile sekuyindaba zane zobugebengu from leyanto yobukhomtsotsi leyana beyenziwa ama comrade it turned into a crime ngoba manje amajita bekwasengasenanto abazoyenza angithi bebadla ngalama target
mzwazwazo
singene lapha sibaphinele kube yiyo lento bangene ngama front door ishaya ibhusha yonke stock siphume masiphuma angisacheki ngoba yini uva sengiyajumpa kuphela ukuthi ngibuyele emuva ngijumpe kanti mangijumpa kanje unabo khada kudala abasilalele babonile ukuthi osibuyile futhi siyangena sima siphuma lapha na abusha dala beka besi about 5 basidubule sonke si5 ne umuntu oyi1 osurvive wabaleka isidudle singaka umuntu besidingeka survive bamshaye ekugcineni abesiphambi kwakhe sonke maruzivule sonke ngoba beseswile yena ukherela wamabullet isidudle sithema sesicount after hours it's about 15 shots angukutshela istory isaphili out yakhona
omunye nomunye uthola ama shots wakhe
beka labantu bebasidla and they were good in shooting ngoba sonke bebasishaya ama limbs inyawo isandla ngithola and except so and isikhathi sama cricket ukuthi lento ijob ebayiplanile amahubumani ukuthi vele makushiswa amatayera
nani niyaqhumisa ngale ya
uyabona
point ukuthi kahlahle mina ngine fouls ngine high ngine bad into zami wise fasa zonke
uyazi uzothola yonke irepo yakhe edliwe intwana zakho zithathile zikurivithile zithathe yonke into uyabona anginane joke
yo
kumele ngibuyele ngiyobangena ngine plug mina ngiyazazi ngine plug edladleni kumele sishare umagogo u1 room RDP kumele sishaye umdiyadi uye ngapha yimi ngapha uyabona manje enye pressure
lento nokukwatisa abantu ukuthi nibamba abantu nivala ama road block niphule nikhipha amapinga
and I was lucky because mina emasinini wami didn't have to use the gun ingamla if you are able to communicate they listen King of Rolex mayengena ngisho ukuthi awenze kahle ngoba azange sifuna ukwaziwa vele right athathe lesa status mara bekungasuyi King of bengifunda naye same class bengihlala naye so makhulukhulu orla man yabo mina mangizofahla kwa nyoshaya 15 yokuqala makhulukhulu bekangalifuni iround ngimangele mina masekabizwa king of ping ukuthi siyaphela abantu basala kuba ama king ya understand ne